Yes, madam.
This is related to resettlement and rehabilitation of Sardar Sarovar ousties. After 38 years of struggle, I have to again come back to this court. And it's a public interest litigation because it is a question related to thousands of families.
Still, after so many years, they have not been rehabilitated.
I mean, much has happened and much has not yet happened. Because
much
in spite
water has
of
flowed.
all the authorities, the Narmada Water Dispute Tribunal Award, the state level liberalized policy is somewhat liberalized, which the judgment in our case of 2000, I'll give you a few pages, relevant pages of the judgment. And
please
last
point
judgment
out from your memo petition where you have pleaded which relief has not been granted.
Yes, it is the
In which para you have pleaded?
the civic amenities at the rehabilitation sites.
That is a part of policy.
Pardon?
It's a part of policy.
It's a part of the Narmada Tribunal Award,
Where
which
is
which is, my lord, a law, a decree, nothing less than that. And these are the two judgments. I would give selected pages of the two judgments.
Please read from the recommendation of GRA dated 28/11/70 in respect of civil amenities and all this.
Yes, right. I will. जहां तक विस्थापित कृषकों को विस्थापन स्थल पर मूलभूत सुविधा प्रदान करने का प्रश्न है, आयुक्त नर्मदा घाटी विकास प्राधिकरण को निर्देशित किया जाता है कि सभी पुनर्वास स्थल पर सक्षम अधिकारी द्वारा निरीक्षण करवाया जाकर मूलभूत सुविधाओं में से जो भी कमी हो 2 माह की अवधि में इसकी पूर्ति करवाई जाकर पालन प्रतिवेदन इस प्राधिकरण के समक्ष प्रस्तुत करे। अभी करोड़ों रुपयों का काम ये 2 महीने में तो होना संभव नहीं था। उसके ऊपर फिर जस्ट उसके बाद का ही आप देखेंगे लॉर्डशिप P8 we wrote to the GRA and we also had to have a sit-in in front of the GRA office.
That was in 2017.
17.
Thereafter they
Yes.
passed the order. P8.
Then they passed this order of 2811.
Now, on your representation, now government has again appointed a GRA to
Yes.
look into the grievance.
But your lordship,
And,
the work is not a short time
in
work.
petition you have not declared that you have an alternate remedy and yes, the details of remedy.
The
exhausted. This
alternative
is an
remedy is
available to.
we want compliance.
This GRA is for you or not for others. So why?
But GRA is
let
not
the
existing.
GRA function. We don't want to.
And no, your lordship, there has to be a technical inquiry also, because if
We are
they,
here to examine their award. Let them pass an award, then we will consider.
but GRA is not functioning, your lordship.
Now it will
So-
function. Now appointment has been done.
No,
We will
out of
start-
5, only 2, and those
It's a
2 have
matter of-
not accepted according to our information. Your lordship, I will give you some photographs which are
And
colored.
we will dispose of with direction to GRA to function.
But
With
within
direct government
within
to
the
provide
time
our
limits.
facility. That's
Your
all.
lordship, they had given time limits, and if you see the
एक समय लगा
report,
जब तक ना हो जाए ग्रहण करने के दिनांक से एक बार
there was
प्रकरणों
a
के निराकरण-
full-fledged, your lordship, there was full-fledged 7 years long inquiry, which was under Commission of Inquiries Act according to the NVDA, but in fact the High Court had appointed it, and no action has been taken, irrespective of the inquiry, thorough detailed inquiry done by the Manit, Maulana Azad Institute and IIT Mumbai, to which retired Justice Zah Commission had given the task as outsourced, because it was a fully technical report. And if there is annexed part of that report, which is P4, if I'm permitted, I can read some of the paragraphs, but you would be shocked to read the summary of the conclusions.
That was in 2014.
So it is not the job which can easily be taken up by GRA, your lordship. So there has to be a full-fledged inquiry with the technical experts and involvement of the resettled families, representatives, and there has to also be a time-bound, action plan, which needs to be monitored by this honorable court. Otherwise, year and year has passed, and today, when they are at 5 kilometers away from the Narmada, they have no water in many places. Tankers are also not reaching, so on and so forth. And the schools are not, there are no health centers. There is a special mention in the 2000, this thing, that health centers must be run in everything. The bhavans are built, but there is no doctor, there is no nurse. Once a while they visit for vaccination or something, and that's all. So it is so shocking that after having spent crores of rupees, Article 21 is violated, and there is no one to monitor this. There are no rehabilitation officers in place now. All the tasks are given to SDMs, who say that we have no time. Now they will all be busy in the elections, you know. They were busy with the vaccinations till now. So
Yes.
who will look into this? We really very humbly request this honorable court to
Yes, we-
keep up the monitoring task in its own hands. So
We'll come to
please issue writ of mandamus,
Yes, Mr.
but
Telang.
also please.
As rightly pointed out, in page number 278, my lord, that is the order of 28/11/2017, my lord. Earlier also the DRA in paragraph number 20 has directed the authorities to submit the complaints.
270.
244, my lord. Page number 244, para number 20, my lord.
Yes.
And the members' appointment has already been done by the state government
Yes.
in last month.
There is no one appointed to look into this task.
Madam, I will consider.
There is no rehabilitation officer in place,
We'll
Your Lordship.
examine your
When thousands
application
are
and-
awaiting rehabilitation. And if you kindly have one page ahead, 279 onwards, and every single aspect had a time-bound direction given. Jala Apurti 34/2018 तक, और आज तक नहीं हुई है. आज तो नर्मदा ही सूखी है, तो 90 हाउस पावर के इंटेक वेल्स में गाद भर रही है पानी के बदले. देन भवन निर्माण के लिए पानी आपूर्ति, वो तो कभी मिला ही नहीं, लोगों को परचेस करना पड़ रहा है. तो गरीबों ने कहीं सारे घर बांधे नहीं है. आज टिन शेड्स में सैकड़ों लोग पड़े हैं. तो ये सभी चीजें पीछे हैं. ये अभी हम ज्यादा समय नहीं रुक सकते हैं. सो दिस हैज टू बी टेकन वेरी एवरीथिंग, यू नो. द हलाव पशुपालकों के लिए चरागाह नहीं है. कई बोर्ड्स लगा के रखे हैं, बट द ग्रेजिंग लैंड इज नॉट अलॉटेड. योर लॉर्डशिप, स्मशान घाट नहीं है, रास्ते नहीं बने हैं, तो कैसे क्या होगा, कैसे रहेंगे?
We'll examine, we'll consider.
तो kindly, your lordship, we want a very strong justice, not just judgment. And I can give 2 sets of the photographs.
है.
One set is
Sufficient
enough.
one is sufficient.
Thank you so much.
Madam, in Jabalpur, I used to hear your argument as these juniors are hearing it.
Yes, Jabalpur is too far away now for me.
नहीं, मैं उस समय आपका आर्गुमेंट ऐसे ही सुनता था जैसे सब जूनियर आए हैं यहाँ से.
Your lordship, obliged.